To make a successful water leak insurance claim, it's essential to follow a series of steps. Firstly, containing the damage is crucial. This can be achieved by turning off the water supply in the event of a burst pipe or placing a bucket under a leaking roof. Once the damage has been contained, it's vital to document it thoroughly by taking photos and videos of the origin of the leak and its extent. These visuals should have date stamps, as they will serve as proof for the insurance company. Next, contact your insurance company to initiate the claims process, ensuring that you submit your claim within the specified deadline outlined in your policy. Depending on your provider, you may be able to fill out the necessary forms over the phone or online. It's also advisable to consult with a lawyer before filing the claim to receive professional guidance on how to navigate the process and receive full compensation. After filing your claim, an adjuster from your insurance company will visit your premises to conduct a further investigation. They will compile a report detailing the source of the leak, the scope of the damage, and the estimated cost of repairs. The adjuster will also assess the validity of your claim, so it's crucial to be honest and present all the documented evidence. If your claim is approved, you can proceed with repairs, either using your insurer's recommended contractors or your own. However, if your claim is still pending, it's best to limit your actions to containing the leak until the matter is resolved. Maintaining open communication with your insurer and providing any requested information will also facilitate a smoother process. By following these steps, you can increase your chances of a successful water leak insurance claim and receive the settlement you are entitled to.